Finally, good numbers from Lufthansa. The company had a turnover of €10.3 billion in the second quarter, €10.0 billion in 2024. This means that Lufthansa also recorded a profit of €871 million, €686 million in the second quarter of 2024, and the company transported 37.0 million passengers, 35.9 million in the second quarter of 2024. Although the second quarter was again marked by geopolitical crises and economic uncertainties, we are today confirming our positive outlook for the full year, said Group CEO Carsten Spar in a statement.